These boys are trying to find the crabs, maybe. And they have a trick of their own. They dig, they use a stick, they poke the stick, and well, I wish I knew the language to ask what they're doing. The beautiful part of this beach is that we only see the weed as in form of rubbish, if at all we call it as rubbish. Other than that, the beach is very clean, no plastic. I used to think maybe because there are not many people and that's the reason it's not so dirty. But even places where they are like Stone Town, there's a shell there. Da, 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 da. Oh, I love these shells. They're like butterflies. So you'll find plenty of these lying on the seaside. I guess when the wave goes back, the empty ones. All right, he's going to take his boat now. There's one more shell here, a bigger one. That's an empty shell. There you go, another butterfly. It's empty. I'll leave it. It's a good day today for reef walking. The waters are still. This is beautiful. I won't pick it though. Shall I keep this or toss it back? I think I'll toss it back. I don't need it. Oh, that's a sea urchin stuck in the mud. Can you see? That's a sea urchin. I wonder what this pink color is. This whole thing is pink. Why? Don't know. Oops. Can you see this hole? There's a creature inside. matamwe.